Now, here's Kansas City's most accurate forecast from meteorologist Gerard Jebaily.
Here's an update from the 41 Action News Weather Center. We're going to continue to see wintry weather spreading into the area. We have winter storm warnings into effect in central and western Kansas. Across the Kansas City area, we have winter weather advisories that are in effect until around 12 p.m. on Sunday. So right around lunchtime is when we're expecting things to start changing back to where we could at least see the end to the wintry weather. Let's take you through PowerCast and show this to you. From 10 o'clock onward, we're going to be looking at snow starting to spread into the area, especially between 11 to 1 a.m. It'll start in the western counties of Kansas, spreading into Missouri. It'll also be rather windy. Could get heavy at times, lasting until around 6 a.m. in the morning on Sunday, at least the heavy stuff, and then it'll lighten up from 8 to 9 o'clock before finally exiting around 10 in the morning. Look at our temperatures as the system exits. With the wind, it's going to feel even colder, but we're in the single digits there at 10 a.m. We're only going to reach the low teens across most of the area by the afternoon, and this Arctic blast is going to continue to come in and knock our temperatures way back. For Monday morning, we were talking low temperatures again around in the early morning hours, down near zero or even below zero in spots. Wind chill is still going to be a big factor too, -10 to -15. All right, as far as snow totals through Sunday, again, the heaviest we're likely going to see that to the south, but could see a ½ inch to 2 inches north of St. Joseph to Chillicothe, areas to the south of there, including the Kansas City metro, 2 to 4 inches possible, 3 to 5 inches possible further south. But we could see some locally higher totals depending on how much wind we get. The wind can actually blow the snow around and put some higher amounts in some of those spots. So slick roads will be a likelihood tonight. As soon as that snow starts, it's going to pile up quickly, and it could blow around quite a bit with the wind that we're having. We're talking winds gusting 25 miles per hour, but not enough to cause a whole lot of power outages. That's the good news. And the snow is going to be a dry snow, so we're not going to see that stick to power lines and also trees. Plenty of that bitter cold Sunday night into Monday morning as well. So here's a look at that, again, your March winter storm timeline between 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. That heavy snow will begin moving west to east. It'll accumulate on the roads very quickly here. 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. gusty winds, and of course that heavy snow will make for some blowing snow, lowered visibility, still 2 to 4 inches of snow possible here in Kansas City, but higher totals to the south. And then Sunday night, that Arctic blast will move in, knocking our temperatures down to near zero, or if not down into the negatives. The wind chill still going to feel like it's -10 to -15. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. The snow will end by noon, possibly even a couple hours sooner. Again, we're looking at around a -3 on the low and 16 degrees for a high on Monday. We will see sunshine Monday and Tuesday. Next storm system could arrive on Thursday. Still yet to be determined whether we're going to see just rain or if we're going to see rain and snow combined with this, and even another system possible moving into next weekend. We'll have an update for you sometime tomorrow morning on Sunday morning. So make sure you're tuning into 41 Action News starting at 6 a.m. and we will certainly have the latest for you on this winter storm. Have a good night.